What the hell are you doing here?
What the hell are you doing here?
Bird watching.
Where is she?
I don't know. I lost her thanks to you.
Calm down. Look, there she is.
Oh. Look, hey, what's the elbows?
Well, stop hogging all the window.
I was here first.
That doesn't mean anything. I've been here bird watching in this spot for the last 3 months, okay?
What can I say, huh? Complain to the union.
Very funny. Now, move over.
I can't see her.
That's great. That's great. This is ridiculous, us both being here. I think you should go.
Well, how about we let her decide?
Fine.
Oh, I feel so violated. I hope you lock him away.
Don't worry, man.
I'm not with him.
Shut up.
Nice one. What a stupid idea.
You're just sore because she obviously likes me more.
You wish. She was totally into me. She didn't scream and start throwing things until she saw you.